Hi guys. Today we are talking about tables and graphs. So on the left here, I have a table and it talks about different instruments that students play in a school band. On the right on the table are the number of students that play each instrument. Now, next to it, I have what is called a bar graph. Now, the bar graph shows the exact same information, just in a different way. For instance, you'll see here that trumpets, there are 6 students who play the trumpet, and here it goes up to 6. And drums, there are 5 students that play the drums, and here on the bar graph, you'll see that there are 5 students that play the drums. So let's use our bar graph and our table to answer some questions, okay? So first question is, how many students play the clarinet? Well, we could use our table here, and it says that 7 students play the clarinet. So we'd say 7 students, okay? Now, how many students play tuba? Well, we see here, maybe we'll use the bar graph for this. So here at the tuba, looks like the tuba has 1 student that plays. So 1 student plays tuba. What if I wanted to know how many students play trombone and drums? So I want to know together how many students play trombone and drums. Well, let's use the table for this one. So trombone, it looks like there are 2 students that play the trombone, and there are 5 students that play the drums. So I would say 2 plus 5, which is 7. So that would be 7 students. So what if I asked, how many more students play clarinet than flute? So when you see how many more, you know that this is going to be a subtraction problem. Okay, so what's the first one that they're asking? They're asking for the clarinet. So how many students play clarinet? Well, I see that I have 7 students that play clarinet, and it wants to know how many more students play clarinet than flute. Well, let's use the bar graph here, and I see that 3 students play the flute. So it's a subtraction problem, so it's going to be 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. So I'd say 4 students. So now we're being told to list the instruments from least played to most played. And I think the easiest way to do that would be to look at the bar graph. So which bar is the smallest? Well, I see that the tuba only has 1 person who plays the tuba. So 1 student plays the tuba. So that would be the least played instrument. And after tuba, it looks like the next least played would be the trombone. It looks like 2 students play the trombone. Let's see here. After the trombone, looks like the flute. There are 3 students that play the flute. Now, after the flute, it looks like the next one would be drums. It looks like 5 students play the drums. And after drums, it looks like there's a tie between trumpet and saxophone. So because they're tied, I will put saxophone and trumpet together. And it looks like the most played instrument in this band is the clarinet, because there are 7 students in this band that play clarinet. And that's how you use bar graphs and tables to find information.